Gentle. Gentle with the bear. David. Keep the bear over here.
Shall we go nap? Mom and Dad, I can take a nap?
No, you guys are hanging out. I thought you were going to lay down next to Char Char. It's Boo Boo. Be gentle, buddy. He's a Boo Boo. That's Ouchie.
We got hurt in the table.
He got hurt when he was born, yeah. Got a boo-boo from being born. Can you give Charlie a kiss on his head for me? Can you give him a little kiss on his head? Aww. Very nice, buddy. Thank you. Hi, Jabbar. Hi, Jabbar. It's brother time. Gentle, bud. Gentle. You can give him kisses. Gentle, buddy. Those are his ears. He has ears like you or me. Gentle, sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I want that.
Gentle, buddy. I don't think he wants those on him.
Happy birthday.
Hey, leave your bears. Buddy, leave your bears on your side, okay? Unless you want to give him one.